Right. Barry, the graph of f at x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0 and g at x equals 6x plus k are drawn below. We are being told, what is happening now? Yeah. All right. The point D with the coordinates 1 and minus 8 is a common point of f and g. F intersects the x-axis at minus 3 to 0, 2, and 0. G intercepts the graph of f at point D only. Now let me just try to draw that. Let me try to draw that. This is our function. We have a straight line that passes in this way. The point of intersection is 1 and minus 8. We have the x-intercept 2 and 0. Another x-intercept minus 3 and 0. This is my y and this is my x. And that's all. This is f and this is the graph of g. Now, we are told that f at x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and we are told that g at x is equals to 6x plus k, and then that is fine. The first question, for which values of x is f at x less or equals to 0? The first question, for which values of x is f at x less or equals to 0? Where is our graph of f negative or equals to 0? Values of x. And I know that f at x is the same as y, where y is less or equals to 0. So f at x is our parabola. Where is our parabola equals to 0? At the x-axis, at the x-intercept, I know that y is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0 at x equals minus 3 and x equals 2. That's where y is less or equal to 0. So at x equals minus 3 and x equals to 2. I know that my y is equals to 0. The values of y are less or equals to 0. F at x is y. The values of x, where y is less or equals to 0, where y is negative or where y is equals to 0. I know that y is negative on this side. I know y is negative. Y is negative when x is 1. Y is negative 8. Y is negative. So meaning, again, that is only the part where y is negative. The other part says where y is negative or equals to 0. Y is equals to 0 on the x-axis when x is minus 3 and x is 2. I know that at these points y is 0. And we can come here and x equals 1. Because I know when x is equals to 1, y is negative. So there are 3 points on the graph that demonstrates that. F at x are the values of y. For which values of x will y be less or equals to 0? Okay. Let's go to 5.1.2. Input. 5.1.2.
5.2. Determine values of a, b, and c.
Find the values of a, b, and c. Okay. Can I read the x-intercept? I'm given the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Again?
Yeah.
So what am I going to do there? Okay. Because can I y-intercept, can I the x-intercept? I use the equation f at x equals a into x minus x1, x minus x2. You are using this equation when you are given y-intercept and the x-intercepts, where x1 and x2 are your x-intercepts, where x and y it's your y-intercept. Y ya how ki negative 8, x ya how ki 1. Your x1 what's what wena ka nna tala ina ka baka yana ke tla re my x1 ke yana ki negative 3, negative times negative ke positive, x ya ka ke 1, x2 ya ka ke negative times positive, it's negative. Ke bana le minus 8 equals a into 4 into minus 1. Ke bana le negative 8 equals negative 4a. I divide by negative, I divide by negative, a equals 2. And it should be positive because graph here we are smile. Okay? Right. Get the value of a. Magabata a, b, and c. Then you write your equation f at x equals a into x minus x1, x minus x2. Okay, value ya a, o tloella x, o kenya value ya x1 re itse ke 3, o tloella x, o kenya value ya x2. You remove the brackets by multiplication. X squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. X squared plus x minus 6. 2x squared plus 2x minus 12. So a equals 2, b equals 2, c equals negative 12. Is this making any sense?
Yeah.
Or y-intercept taking negative 12? Is our y-intercept negative 12? That's my question. Ain't that? 2x squared plus 2x minus 6. Is my y-intercept equals to minus 12? That's my question. X squared 2x 3x minus 6. Okay. Now here that y-intercept ya minus 12 now, because we do y-intercept take minus 8. So y refumana minus 12. Now here because for y-intercept x is equals to 0. And an equation f at x equals 2x squared plus 2x minus 12. For y-intercept x is equals to 0. So it of our y equals negative 12. Is it true that y-intercept is negative 12? No, it is not. So where's the halam? y-intercept x equals to 0. Y reverse C minus 12. I'm just asking the question. I'll show you the x-intercept is I want to determine those values. X-intercept y equals to 0. This is highly correct. Ito minus 3 and 2. So D has a y-intercept. Key point of intersection. So we are correct in this. Open your eyes. Your eyes open. I want to D. Keep y-intercept. Do it like a point of intersection. So we are correct in this. Please be correct. Be careful in that. Bala statement Bala statement D is a point of intersection. Hurry up with
Determine the coordinate of the turning point of 5.3.
Determine the coordinates of the turning point of G at x.
F.
Or of F, ne? Kya tseba, kinali equation ya F. Here F at x equals 2x squared plus 2x minus 12. I get? Kya tseba turning point ya x elegana minus b over 2a. This is a, b, and c. It over 2 over 2 into 2. This is negative 2 over 4. This is negative 1/2. I get? I get the corresponding y value. Kilo f at minus 1/2. Elegantly 2 into minus 1/2. That must be squared plus 2 into minus 1/2 minus 12. Yo fabugai. It over 2 times 1 over 4 minus 1 minus 12. It over 1 minus 1 minus 12, which is negative 12. So the coordinate is a turning point k minus 1/2 and minus 12. Now I on a value. Yes, into pause. 2 times 1 1/4. Hey, yes, well, make it 1/2. 1/2 minus 1 minus 12. Who 1/2? How minus a 1 it over minus 1/2 minus 12. You have got
negative 12.5.
I give that as a fraction.
25, negative 25 over 2.
So her x is negative 1/2, y is negative 25 over 2. The coordinate is a turning point. Are we fine?
Yeah.
Right, area 5.4.
Write down the equation of the axis of symmetry of h if h at x equals to f at x minus 7 plus 2.
Write down the equation of the axis of symmetry if
h at x equals to f at x minus 7.
Okay.
Inside 7 f open bracket x minus 7 plus 2.
Kindly.
Yeah.
To the equation of the axis of symmetry.
Yeah.
Where h at x equals f at x minus 7 plus 2.
Yeah.
Right, so come on, but one of them f more one x so x minus 7. So keep it h at x. F at x is 2x squared plus 2x minus 12. What you equation in another f? Mo ke bonang x ke kenye x minus 7. O go ke add ka bokae ka 2. Again?
Yeah.
And then from here, I think it's a delay. Got the equation of straight line again?
Yeah.
I can say let x minus 7 be equals to k. I get simple. Ke kgone ho bana le 2k squared plus 2k minus 10. I get, and then I can factor out 2 because in tuna scale like h at x. Ele kana le 2k squared plus 2k minus 10. I get. I can factor out 2k squared plus k minus 5. And I can factorize, I get k, but will I ever find the factors of 5 that can give me 1? No. Mballe potso hape.
Write down the equation of axis of symmetry of h if h at x equals to f at x minus 7 plus 2.
Plus 2. Ke yo. Ke batla ho e dotcha mara. E ka ha e dotche. E ka ha e dotche. Because ha ke le mo ke batla e dotcha mara. E ka ha e dotche. And I can never factorize this to get that. Okay, bona potso yo mo. Batla ho e dotcha mara e dotche. Write down the equation of the axis of symmetry of h if h at x equals f at x minus 7 plus 2. And it's 1 mark, Musinju. Write down the equation of the axis of symmetry of h. And that. Ichi. Rafellam. No, that Rafellam. Kie nandat. Lemona Rafellam. Kie na equation of the axis of symmetry of h at x, where h at x equals f at x minus 7 plus 2. Kie nandat. Kie. Kie na manis? Kie na? Manis kie? Kupaskan na ya hole. O tlo le mala. Wa le mala ka nna batla ho mathaka. Ntate ke 1 mark kie. Berea 5.5. Right. Barring.
Determine the equation of a line Q which is perpendicular to G passing through the point minus 3 and 0 in the form of y equals to mx plus c.
Find. Barring.
Determine the equation of a line Q which is perpendicular to G.
Perpendicular to G at x again? Okay.
Passing through the point negative 3 and 0 in which in the form
I know that when two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradient must give you negative 1. So come on, gradient ya m1 multiply by gradient ya m2 ka mele re fe negative 1 ke na le gradient ya g ke 6 ha ke na gradient ya m2 mara tlameha di fe negative 1 gradient ya m2 ke negative 1 over 6 it passes through that point y equals mx plus c y yaka ke 0 gradient ke negative 1 over 6 x yaka ke negative 3 ke batlana le c mona o tlo bana le 1 half because 3 divided by 6 ke 1 half plus c equals negative 1 half y equals mx plus c on a negative 1 over 6x minus 1 half. This is the equation in the form of y equals mx plus c, where the gradient of that line is perpendicular to the gradient of g at x. This is how you will do it. Ke khathetse ke utlwa hore ke khathetse monna ha re iphose mo